Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Happy coming back to you and making the new video after Christmas. So hope you enjoyed your Christmas holiday. You spent a valuable time with your family member in love and peace and talking crypto. So my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for your education and also for entertainment purposes. So guys, before we are jumping over to our favorite bubble chat, please smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Follow us on Twitter, and let's do this. Let's share my screen, and you will be surprised because that was a juicy green Christmas, and also it's continuing as we are heading into end of the year. So Sushi Swap up 20%, Rune, Thornchain 10%, Aron 7%, Ravencoin 12, CVX 14, Spell 15, WeChain almost 8, STX 11, and Gala and all others are up. ICP up 11%, so good to see. Just few of them are correcting, like Luna, Curve, but they pumped really well, and also Near Protocol pumped really well back in a few days. So we see Bitcoin is stabilizing about 50,000. For a short period of time, it went below 50,000 maybe yesterday morning. But now is back about 50,000 US dollar, and today in plus 1%. Ethereum is also about 4,000, so good to see. Binance going up 4%. So overall, the market looks pretty good, and as Bitcoin is stabilizing, we see a few altcoins pumping. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. Let's refresh it. Maybe it's changed in the past few hours. No, it's sitting at 40, and yesterday we were at 37. So we are still in the fear zone, but not in the extreme fear zone that we were several times in the past few weeks, because the index went as low as 16, and that was an extreme fear out there. And when investors are too worrying, that is always a good buying opportunity. When investors are getting greedy, and greediness can last for weeks and months, that's due for correction. So guys, let's back and let's go to our first news. Let's do this. Okay, countdown to the yearly close. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Okay, Bitcoin or shorter time frame gently does it. Yes. So holding 50,000, and this looks really good. Okay. So Pantoshi tweeted, I still on 49,200 and 53,000 and 55,000 range per previous charts. He confirmed. Okay, dialogue breakout, top traders long, normies flooding to move up, open interest up 2.8 billion, and funding low, sitting right below 10x liquidations, and also breaking trend lines here. So let's open this on Twitter and let's see this. Okay, diagonal breakout. This is the diagonal breakout. Long shorts, normies, top traders are back, and open interest started to increase. Funding rate still low. So good to see. Stock to flow lives to fight another year. Stock to flow multiply. BTC USD should ideally be trading at about 97,000 US dollar this week, but reality has other ideas. To be clear, I have no doubt whatsoever that Bitcoin stock to flow FX is correct, and Bitcoin will tap 100,000 to 288,000 before December 2021. He wrote in a part of comments in early November. So for now, that failed. In my opinion, we are in the exact same spot as March 2019 when I published stock to flow model at the low end of the first band. Do your own research, look at the chart, your choice. So if you look at the chart, that in 2020 March, we were in so low and so far from the band. Okay, beware the open interest time bomb. Most of the time, risk can be found in open interest, price up, open interest up, ok, price down, open interest down, not so bad. Price is down, open interest flat, up, get wrecked. So this is net realized profits and loss. The task that sellers may be exhausted, and we potentially could have more drastic price movement if buyers step in. So sellers are exhausted. So this is the Bitcoin chart, and this is the green is the net realized profit and loss. And we see that they are in loss. So they are in loss, and this is how it is. And then buyers should step in, and there is a divergence in the net realized profit and loss, and also the price movement. So you see we have the same pattern unfolding here on the chart. Liquidity caution spills over the macro. What's this? Chart traders beware. Be aware. The last half of December is a time when chart pattern breakouts should be viewed with great suspicion. Many false breakouts occur during thinly traded holiday periods. And this is these fake outs. Okay, nice joke. The DIX index remains near its highest since June 2020. Yeah. Bitcoin melts faces when people least expect it. Crypto firm and greed index still down, as we already discussed. Samsung move, lots of bearish sentiment in response to my tweet, plus many can't seem to understand it either. But it was 50K as a while ago, which makes me think we are going to have some massive green candles soon. Bitcoin usually melts faces when people least expect it. Okay, it took 22 days Bitcoin to double from 40,000 to 20,000 to 40,000, 50,000 to 100,000 will probably be faster. Okay, so maybe Bitcoin will mad faces. Okay, I want to see this in New Year's Eve. Next piece of news is Mexican billionaire says buy Bitcoin in New Year message. Not buy gold or buy real estate or buy US dollar, buy Bitcoin. Mexico's third richest person, don't be jealous, believe in buy Bitcoin. Okay, let's quote from here. That was the message. Also, we will check it on my Twitter feed. Steer clear of fiat money, whether it's the dollar, the euro, or the yen, it's all the same. It's fake money made of paper lies. Central banks are producing more than ever. So this is a quote from him. Invest in Bitcoin. Okay. Pushing freedom and innovation. Bitcoin evangelist since 2013. Mexican businessman, and also he owns a bank, and he is providing crypto and Bitcoin services through his bank. Next piece of news is just 1.3 million Bitcoin left circulating on crypto exchanges. So guys, this is a quite low. It's less than 10% of the total supply. Yes, 6.3% of the total Bitcoin supply is left on exchange wallets, according to a new analysis by CryptoRank. So 6.3% December figure is the lowest record in 2021. Okay, let's make this chart bigger. So all the exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, Bitfinex, and the smaller OKX, Bitflyer, Bittrex, and others. And this is almost 19 million BTC in the total circulating supply, and 6.2% hold on exchanges. So this is a small amount that Bitcoin hodlers holding and storing on exchanges. And it's not so secure to store crypto on exchanges, but this is a kind of sign when people don't want to sell, they usually withdraw from exchanges. Liquid to an illiquid state is now 100,000 BTC per month. In a sense, more BTC is locked away into cold storage than the amount being mined. So this is in negative. The net is in negative. Illiquid BTC may be even lower. Okay. And the mantra, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. So then you should store all your cryptos on your Ledger Nano X. You find the link to order a safety way of wallets in your Ledger Nano X. And also I have something for you. Then I bring it here. Okay. So we also share this on CorionX Twitter feed, that how to store crypto in 2022, and just read through and also learning about private keys and mnemonic phrases. And my best advice, because it is about your security and security of your funds, that store your crypto on a Ledger Nano X, and you can use it with your MetaMask, and you can interact with your MetaMask. You can interact through your Ledger Live app, but use your Ledger Nano X, and you can store almost all the coins, and also use some other two-factor authentications. But don't use exchanges, and don't use Gmail addresses for those exchanges. And let's come to our education course and learn more about how to store crypto. So, but this is a good news that balances on exchanges are decreasing, and also maybe we are seeing not a Santa rally, but a end of year event rally, or kind of. Next piece of news is, yet store your crypto. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week: BTC, Matic, Near, Atom, Agent is Helium. Okay, BTC USDT, yes, Fibonacci retracement level, and giving up the continue to sell of so just look at this chart. This is the Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low when we started this movement, and then Bitcoin retested almost all the levels of the Fibonacci retracement levels, and now traded above the 200-day moving average, and also still above the 20 moving average. Okay. And what about the simple moving averages? These are some, we have some cup and handle or cup and holder here. This is a 4-hourly chart, but so I would suppose that cup and holder is much clearer chart. Matic USDT, so Matic made a new all-time high, so definitely good to see Matic's movement. Also, RSI is getting into the overbought territory, but not yet, and are far away also from the exponential moving averages. And we see a nice trend line and a kind of parabolic move. But after the new all-time high, Matic is in a price discovery mode. Let's check it on the 4-hourly chart. Yeah, this is a kind of cup and holder. This is a kind of cup and holder resistance line on the ascending channel, and then Matic broke this resistance near USDT. Okay, let's check this. Falling wedge pattern broke out and reached a new all-time high, and also near is in price discovery mode. And just 2 weeks ago, guys, it was at so low level, so almost doubled from there. Yeah, but don't rush in a trade now. Just do your own research and analyze this, and just find out some patterns. I think this is a bull flag, so I would considering to open a long in near, but with using stop loss. Atom USDT. Atom also was in a bull flag. This bull flag, this falling channel, downward trending channel, broke out, so broke up, and this is a good sign to reach new all-time high. Hope we will see it soon. Okay, H and T, helium broke out and also retested almost all the Fibonacci retracement levels, and now broke this kind of bull flag and rising to higher levels. Okay, guys, so that's almost these small technical analysis, and let's go and check some other news. These crypto entrepreneurs will be the most profitable over the next decade, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor says. People chronically underinvest in businesses that are centralized, custodial, compliant businesses that could plug into Bitcoin. You can make 100 billion US dollar if you are Fidelity plugging into Bitcoin harder. So why don't you go figure out how to sell that to Fidelity? If you want to plug Bitcoin into Apple computer, it might be worth $1 trillion. But Apple's custodial, but Apple's compliant. I get it, but it's still $1 trillion opportunity. I'm a crypto person. I want to go decentralized, non-compliant. Here is the issue. It's going to be purest pure play cryptos that are going to make all the money in the next stage, or is it going to be compliant custodial institutions that plug into Bitcoin that are going to make all the money in the next decade? Obviously, I happen to believe that custodial public institutions have more opportunity than all of the crypto entrepreneurs do. The crypto entrepreneurs don't want to think that because if you don't have a bank and if you are not an Apple computer, if you don't have a country, then you can't do that, right? You want to create your own country. You want to create your own bank. You want to create your own social network. If you don't have it, okay, fine. It's a free word. Everybody should be able to do whatever they can do, and something good will come out of that. One out thousands, one of the 10,000 things. They will be the Instagram or the Facebook that will just explode, and they will have 99.9% failure rate, and the rest of things will all crash and burn. And I don't know which one will succeed, but some of them will definitely succeed. So let's go and do something in crypto. So guys, this is almost for today. Let's check my Twitter and see a few posts. I posted a lot in the past few days, but let's go and also we will review a few tomorrow. So I'm just scrolling down and let's see what we have here. So definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dankler. So follow at MIKLOS Dankler, and also follow CorionX, Corion platform. Okay, so check this blog, CorionX DeFi update that we launched our farms on Binance Smart Chain and farms on the Ethereum chain, and also here is our Christmas wishes. I like this image. Wow, and This was the bullish divergence between Bitcoin price and illiquid supply ratio. So this is the bullish divergence, and this is not a hidden, it's a normal bullish divergence. Okay. On-chain colleague, number of Bitcoin hodlers making new all-time highs. Let's check this. So this is the Bitcoin price. The orange is the number of Bitcoin addresses with a non-zero balance. So it shows that Bitcoin has almost 40 million hodlers. Maybe there are some guys that holding 10 or even more addresses, but maybe almost we can say that most of the people has just one or two addresses. So this is somewhere 20 or and between 30 million Bitcoin hodlers that holding Bitcoin not on exchanges but on the blockchain. Cool. Great charts. Happy to see that. Okay. So Pantoshi shared this. Let's check this. Now we look for 54,000 US dollar from their highest probabilities back to 48 and 50,000 to attempt a higher low before a push to Stalingrad at 58,000 US dollar. Looking at the 3D charts and higher time frames, 58,000 likely defines if we have a crab year or trending year. Thus, that's where the largest battle is on the chart BTC. So here is the liquidity below, let's say 40,000, and also we have the range lows here. We have the mids at almost 46,000. We bounced there, and the range high at 58,000. And now Bitcoin is battling between these levels. Let's check this from Rec Capital. So BTC weekly charts, and the green 21 exponential moving average resistance represent the price of 51,700, and now we are there. I don't know where we closed the weekly charts, but I hope about that level. BTC needs to flip the green exponential moving average into support to confirm the breakout to the upside and confirm the end. To the end, the correction was the same confirmation ended the May July consolidation period. So let's go and check the weekly charts. Let's switch to weekly and let's see where Bitcoin closed yesterday. Okay, so this is the new. So Bitcoin closed at 50,800, almost 50,800. So we closed below the moving average. So our this week candle will be the next attempt to close about the 21 exponential moving average. Stock to flow multiply model. Let's check this. Actual price 50,800. Model price should be at 97. So this is from plan B. Daily stock to flow multiply. Stock to flow multiply 14-day moving average. Stock to flow multiply 100-day moving average. And this is the Bitcoin daily stock to flow and price. And we are getting in the lower of these bands. So still there, but not correlating to the middle. Crypto industry venture capital funding, you see the numbers are increasing. This year reached almost 25 billion US dollar, and this is the number of tweets on Twitter. We know that crypto is spreading on Twitter, and it increased almost 350% compared to 2021, the volume of the tweets. Also, another interesting chart from Loop. Countries with the highest relative search interest for Bitcoin have changed significantly from 2020 to 2021. Why? It's no surprise to see El Salvador's at number one. It's notable that it wasn't even on the list of 66 countries for which Google logged search interest in 2020. And good to see that Nigeria is active in crypto, and all other neighboring countries of Nigeria and other African countries are just not in yet. Yeah, and in China they are not using Google, so they are using other search engines. But you see, Canada, active, Nigeria, Turkey, and El Salvador. Where is El Salvador? El Salvador is somewhere here, if I'm right. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, guys. Australia, so high. South Africa, and also Switzerland, Germany, Spain, guys, and Canada. Canada is moving fast, also with the ETFs. So, guys, just listen. This is.
El dólar, el euro, el yen. Aléjense del dinero fiat. El dólar, el euro, el yen, el peso, todos son el mismo cuento. Es dinero falso, de papel, de mentiras. Y los bancos centrales están produciendo más dinero que nunca. Inviertan en Bitcoin. Aléjense.
So, guys, you heard? Central banks are printing more money than ever before. Invest in Bitcoins. Solid Christmas advice by Mexican billionaire Ricardo Salinas. So definitely check this out. So we have other tweets. I will come with these tweets tomorrow. So now look at the charts. But before that, let's come and join our Telegram channel. You find the link in the description. So we have some nice discussions here, and also we are sharing some educational content videos here. So definitely join and follow our channels. So guys, let's check the charts. Let's switch from the weekly chart. And this was a nice, this chart, this candle was a nice bullish engulfing candle. So this is the bullish engulfing candle. And also on the daily, Bitcoin broke this bull flag, as you remember, and now getting closer to the other trend line that we have here. And also we have some horizontal levels at 53,000 US dollars. So definitely watch out for these levels. So this is crucial for Bitcoin. In the meantime, we see a few altcoins are doing well, and good to see that they are pumping. Avalanche is still consolidating, but rallied really well. And let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is doing well, consolidating, so haven't started the rally yet, broke out, but still consolidating, maybe on the 4-hourly forming a kind of bull flag or kind of triangle. So we'll see how it will break out from here. And what else do we have? Yes, Sushi, yeah, sushi broke out. Sushi broke out and also left our buy zone, so it was a nice pump. And also Luna, I think Luna did made a new all-time high, and now Luna is consolidating back. So hope you took some profit at 100, but this is a kind of distribution pattern, so I expect Luna just coming back from these levels, and I will watch out for these Fibonacci levels and buying back here at lower prices. Our trend line is far away, so almost at 60, so we have a huge space to come down and cool down a little bit. Matic broke out, a really nice movement. Matic broke this channel and broke this trend line, and also that was the 2.4 level and the horizontal resistance. So broke out, retested perfectly, and started the rally from there. So good to see Matic, really nice movement. guys, let me know, just write in the comment section which are your favorite altcoins, and then definitely we will look into them. Moonriver also is showing the signs of trend reversal. So good to see that it broke out and testing this horizontal resistance. Now just rejected there, but I hope it will try again and will succeed to break out. Sandbox also consolidating after the breakout, and almost Cardano is doing almost the same, so broke out and consolidating. And Gala is also doing well, and after breaking out, consolidating, and yeah, so we open the trade now. We are putting the stop loss to the opening price. So guys, this is for today. Also definitely come and watch out our farms. You will find our farms at app.corion.io, app.corion.io, and you will find the farms here. We have we have CorionX BNB, CorionX BUSD farms, and also let's come and check out our farms on the Ethereum version. You can farm also CorionX Ethereum liquidity, providing liquidity on Uniswap and farming your liquidity pool tokens here and earning 330% APRs. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, all, subscribe to the channel, and see you tomorrow. Enjoy the holiday with your family and friends. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.